Okay. Welcome to my channel. This is volume 2 of the unboxing of the Amazon mystery package box. So this time we have another box. It's about the same size as the first one, only supposedly it contains 5 items. Valued at up to, what is it, $1,000?
I don't know. That's what it said, but I doubt it.
Well, let's see. Well,
I mean, just by how light this is.
If one of them's an iPhone, I get it. An iPhone. Oh, shit. iPhone 14.
Okay.
Okay, so welcome to my channel. This is Kodo. He's here to help with the unboxing. Right, Bubby? Yes.
Mystery Gifts Plus is
Mystery Gifts Plus. And this is Micah, sponsor of our program.
This might be the last time I do this.
Well, then maybe I'll get one.
I'm almost bummed.
Let's just see what happens.
I'm just bummed how light it is. It's so light.
Well, you never know. It could be diamonds. We don't know.
That would be interesting.
Yeah. Kodo, get out of the
No,
way.
he wants to help. Come on, Maru. Come on. What's in the box? All right.
Gwyneth Paltrow's head.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Drum roll, please.
Maybe it's kibble.
Okay, I'm gonna just pull one out.
Just pull one out.
LED sound equalizer.
Oh, what's that?
3 set. I don't know. For gamers.
Oh.
I have no idea.
I don't know what that is. It looks kind of cool though.
Rated G.
Okay, so it's good for kids. I don't know what it is. We will look it up for the...
Clip-on microphone.
Ooh.
Oh, perfect for podcast streams.
There we go.
We'll have to use this for next time, right?
Nice.
So that's the clip-on.
We're just starting out, so this is how we progress.
Yeah.
What do you think, Kodo?
Yeah?
Okay. Okay. Next, number 3.
I kind of like this, actually. Headphones.
Ooh, those look fancy schmancy.
Right?
All right, all right.
Peak headphones.
You can take those on the plane to Paris.
Built-in microphone. Oh, this must be another gamer headphone. I don't know why I would need a microphone on my headphones.
It's for gaming.
Yeah.
Game away.
And that's it.
What do you mean that's it? That's only 3 things.
I know, right?
What the fuck? All right, well.
Well, let's see what we've got here.
Okay, well, let's see what the retail value of these objects
Peak
is.
headphones.
Kodo, what are your thoughts?
Bass jacks. Okay.
So you paid how much for this
I
box?
don't even want to tell you.
How much did you pay for this box?
$79. That's $99.
$79.99. And so the retail value of the 3 objects in the box are...
Oh, this one goes. Let's see.
This is for the headphones.
Yeah.
Okay. Peak headphones.
I'm not even seeing these. Like $21.99.
Bass Jacks is the manufacturer.
Yeah, I saw that. I put in all those numbers, and I'm getting a black one for $21.99 on eBay.
$21.99. Well, eBay isn't really a good...
Yeah, I know, but I'm not really getting any.
What do you think, Kodo?
$18.99.
Oh, bummer.
Yeah, not okay.
All right.
Let's see what this LED sound equalizer.
Yes, whatever the fuck that is.
LED sound.
These are the other items she received.
LED sound equalizer.
Maybe Mary will know what it is.
Okay, $5.55.
$5.55.
Well, that's the one. The first thing that sound
For reals?
up. It's like like $10.
So okay.
All right, no. So far so bad.
Ugh. Well, you know, this is the chance we take, people. This is why we do this for you.
And you get to see the kitties.
You get to live vicariously through us with our...
All right. Ultra. Okay, clip-on microphone Prime Connect.
Kodo, move.
Clip-on microphone.
You look really
Prime
fat.
Connect.
Move. You do. You look fat. Get out.
Let's see.
What we got?
Oh, $4 on eBay.
So what is the grand total of these
I
items?
wasn't paying attention. I don't know.
$4, $5, and what was the headphones?
It wasn't worth my shopping.
All right.
Yeah, $5 on Poshmark.
Well,
It was fun.
that's
doing the
okay.
video.
That's okay. You know, this is what we do. This is the gamble we take. Last time we came out ahead with the massager, and
Sort of. I saw that the people were selling those for like $20 too. So maybe this isn't such a great idea.
Okay, well,
Mystery boxes.
maybe we'll do one more.
We'll see. Nope. There we go. Got a cat in the back. Here's one. Oh. Didn't expect that to come out of the box.
Maru. All right. Okay, so thank you for watching our channel, and that was it. That was the Amazon mystery box unveiling number 2. Happy 2023, and we'll see you next time on the flip side. Bye bye.